Hello everyone, welcome to Discover of Tech. In today's video, we're going to explore a new PDF editor for Windows that I think is worth checking out. The software is called Afirstsoft PDF, and it brings a lot to the table. First, go to Google and search Afirstsoft PDF. Open the first website of Afirstsoft PDF and tap the download button. After download, open the Afirstsoft PDF, and if you have an account, and log into it. Afirstsoft PDF is an artificial intelligence-powered PDF editor that allows you to view, annotate, edit, convert, organize, create, and summarize PDFs. One great feature is that with just one license, you can use the software across all platforms, which is pretty convenient. To demonstrate, I've uploaded an article from Afirstsoft PDF into the software by simply dragging and dropping it into the main interface. As you can see, the software automatically opens the file and displays it in a clean and intuitive interface. The interface includes two sidebars, one on the left and one on the right, a main menu at the top, and another menu at the bottom for navigation and zooming. Now let's take a closer look at editing a PDF with Afirstsoft PDF. By navigating to the Edit section, you'll find several useful tools. For example, the Hand tool allows you to move around the document freely. There's also a Select tool and an Edit tool that automatically detects and lets you modify text within the PDF. You can even add new text and customize it with different font sizes and styles. Additionally, you've had the option to add objects to the document. You can easily insert text. For example, I add text Discover of Tech into the software. If a page is too wide, you have the option to crop it by simply dragging the edges and clicking Apply. For more precise adjustments, you can access the crop settings, which provide detailed information about the cropping process. Once you're satisfied, just click Apply. Additionally, the software allows for straightforward PDF conversions. By navigating to the Convert section, you can create a PDF by selecting a file that isn't already in PDF format and converting it. If you have a PDF open, you can convert it to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, image formats, and more. The Batch Convert feature also enables the conversion of multiple files at once, making the process even simpler. To convert an article into a JPEG image, simply click on the Convert option and observe the process. As you can see, the conversion happens swiftly, and the quality of the images remains intact. Every page of the article is successfully converted into a JPEG file. If you're looking to organize a PDF document, navigate to the Page section. Here, you'll find numerous options to customize the document. For instance, if you're not satisfied with the order of the pages, you can easily rearrange them. It's a very straightforward process. Additionally, you have the option to change the orientation of specific pages. You can select a page and rotate it either clockwise or anti-clockwise, making the process incredibly simple. Moreover, you can crop pages within this section. If you choose to crop a page, you will be automatically redirected to the Edit section where you can make the necessary adjustments. Don't forget to use the Ctrl+S keyboard shortcut to save any changes you make. Additionally, there is an option to select specific pages, allowing you to add a page range to your selection. You also have access to various suggestions that can be applied to the PDF document, which I find to be quite interesting. This feature adds another layer of customization, enabling you to tailor the document to your specific needs. In the Home section, there is an intriguing feature called OCR, Optical Character Recognition. To use it, you first need to download the OCR component, which happens very quickly. Once the download is complete, you can click OK and then select the OCR option again. From here, you'll find the Scan option. For example, you can choose to scan the current page and convert it to editable text. The default language recognition is set to English, but you can choose from several other popular languages. You also have the option to select multiple languages if needed. After setting your preferences, click on Perform OCR to start the process, which should be quite fast. As you can see, the text is successfully detected, and you can easily select and edit it as needed. Additionally, when you select text, you can highlight it using simple tools available in the software. You can even change the highlight colors with ease. Overall, the software is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward, making these tasks simple to accomplish. We haven't even touched on the best feature yet, the artificial intelligence function of the software. To access this, simply click on the Artificial Intelligence option in the software, then start the process by clicking on Start followed by Yes. After agreeing to the terms, you're all set to use the artificial intelligence to summarize your PDF document effortlessly. For instance, if you got a page selected in the OCR section, the software can quickly summarize it for you. This feature is especially useful as it works well even on text detected by the OCR function, not just on PDFs created within the software, but also those made using third-party tools. This demonstrates the software's capability to accurately detect text and then allow you to summarize it with ease. This artificial intelligence function is particularly beneficial for students or anyone who needs to summarize lengthy PDF documents quickly. The software offers several additional features that enhance its functionality. For instance, it includes a thumbnail function, bookmarks, and a comment list, which help you navigate and manage your PDF documents more efficiently. There's also a button that opens the Properties section, allowing you to access detailed information about the document. Moreover, the dedicated comment section lets you highlight, underline, and apply various other annotations to the PDF, making it easy to mark up the document as needed. If you're interested in trying out the software, additionally, there's a 30% discount available on the Pro version if you check out the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed learning about Afirstsoft PDF, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the Discover of Tech channel. Make sure to activate the notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads like this one. Until next time, have a great day. Peace out.